I'm Ken Wolf, CEO of Revelwood. We're here at our company's annual 3-day off-site retreat where we take the whole company and bring everyone together for 3 days of fun and team building and a lot of learning and sessions and things like that. And we have something pretty special going on this year. So I want to introduce my colleague, Jonathan Dunn, who is the Managing Director of our European operation, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. Jonathan, I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about the opportunity that you see and why we're, launching in Europe at this time.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, it's it's a really exciting time for us. So we have launched the Revelwood business in Europe. I think it's a big marketplace, and there's, similar to the US, some significant scale businesses that have complex business models, complex revenue streams, that are probably not educated in the technology that FP&A has to offer. And amazingly, there are these large organizations that are still using Excel, which is a great product, but it has its challenges like Excel always has. And I think there's a piece to educate C-suite, FDs, CEOs around what the technology can bring to add value to their businesses.
I agree with that. In fact, you mentioned the Excel challenge, right? That you've got a lot of companies that are still using Excel. As finance experts, we embrace the spreadsheet, we embrace Excel. It's not about replacing it, it's about how can we supplement that with something that can really help with the enterprise planning, reporting, and sort of analysis process, while still allowing our clients to, take advantage of the spreadsheet and all of its capabilities. So, and we've seen that here in the States. Still, many companies are working with Excel and looking for something that can sort of take them to the next level. And I think we've really seen that successful here, and I think there's great opportunity for us to do that in Europe.
Yeah.